Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 15-minute HIT core workout for beginners. Today's routine is composed of a warm-up, a 3-round circuit training, and a cool-down. Today's video does not include a full body stretch. If you have not stretched, take a look at the link in the description below for my latest full body stretch routine. Get that done and come back and join us for today's practice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the exercises that we're going to be performing in today's circuit training. Plank jacks, roll-ups, dead bugs, and mountain climbers. Alright guys, let's go ahead and begin with our warm-up round. First up, we're going to jog in place. We're going to put 30 seconds on the clock. And we're going to start with a nice light movement. Takes us at your own pace. This is just a warm-up round. Let's go ahead and begin. Nice light movement on our feet. We're getting our arms involved. And we're keeping our head and our chest up as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Getting those lungs fired up. Last couple of seconds of the jog, and we're moving forward to inchworms next. Here we go, meeting at the top of the mat. We're going into a forward fold. Slide down at the knees, palms come down to the ground, walking them out into a high plank. Hand is stacked directly below the shoulders. Nice strong core in this high plank, and we return to our starting position. Inhaling as we're coming down. And exhaling as we're coming up. Focus on your form and stay down after your last inchworm. We're going to move forward to lizard lunges next. Our hands are stacked directly below our shoulders, and our right foot is going to step forward right beside our right hand, and then return to its starting position, and we alternate to our left side. Inhale as the foot comes up. Exhale as it comes back. Focus on keeping a neutral neck and spine. Nice strong core. Last couple of seconds here. Go ahead and walk your hands back up. And we're going into a jump rope, imaginary jump rope time. Last 30 seconds of our warm up. Getting that heart rate up. Nice light movement of the feet as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Last couple of seconds here. Great job, guys. Go ahead and take a 30-second rest, and we'll meet here for round 1 of our circuit training. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and begin with round 1 of our circuit training. Let's take it down to the ground for plank jacks first. We're going to have our hands stacked directly below our shoulders. Our core is engaged, and our neck and spine are neutral. We're going to bring out one leg at a time, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. If this is easy for you, you can do both legs at the same time. Focus on keeping your joints stacked, your core engaged, and your neck and spine neutral. We have a couple of seconds left of this move, and we're moving forward to roll-ups next. Go ahead and come on down on your back. Legs and arms are extended, and we exhale as we roll ourselves up, tap our toes, and inhale as we roll ourselves back out. Engage your core, to bring yourself up, finding your strength through your breath. Exhale up. Inhale down. Last couple of seconds there. Go ahead and bring your arms out in front of you, knees come up, and we're bringing up our left arm and right leg and bringing it right back. Extending those limbs. We alternate back and forth, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Last couple of seconds of the dead bugs. Finish off your last rep. Turn it around onto your back. We're finishing up our first circuit with mountain climbers. Our hands again come stacked directly below our shoulders, core is engaged, and our right knee comes up to our right elbow and returns to a starting position before we alternate limbs. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We focus on our form. Last couple of seconds here. Great job, guys. That was round 1 of our circuit training. Go ahead and take a 30-second rest. We'll meet here for round 2. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and begin round 2 of our circuit training. Again, we're starting with plank jacks, taking it back down to the ground. Our hands are stacked directly below our shoulders. Our core is engaged. Neck and spine are neutral. And here we go. We're stepping one leg out at a time. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Focusing on our form. And if we're ready, we can speed this up. Let's go ahead and get both legs involved. Focusing on your form. We have a couple of seconds left of our plank jacks, and we're moving forward to roll-ups next. Let's go ahead and bring it down to the ground, onto our backs. Arms and legs extended. We exhale to roll up. Inhale to roll out. And repeat. Engaging our core to bring us up. Finding strength through our breath. We finish our last rep. Going into dead bugs next. Arms come up, knees come up. Right arm and left leg extends and returns to your starting position. Inhaling as they extend, exhaling as they come up. Inhale as they extend, and exhale as they return. Focus on your form, keep that core engaged. Last couple of seconds, go ahead and switch it back up to the hands. Stack your joints, moving on to mountain climbers. Speeding it up this time, keeping our booty low, joints are stacked. Bringing our knees up to our elbows, alternating sides. Keeping our core engaged and our neck and spine neutral. Exhale as that knee comes up. Great job, guys. That's round 2 of our circuit training. Go ahead and take another 30-second rest, and we'll meet here for round 3, our last and final round. Great job. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and begin with round 3 of our circuit training. We're bringing it back down to the ground for plank jacks. Our hands are stacked below our shoulders and our core is engaged. We're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. As we begin, our plank jack movement, keeping our core nice and tight and our booties low. If we need to do one leg at a time, no problem. Focus on keeping your core nice and engaged. And breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have a couple of seconds left. We're moving forward to roll-ups next. Go ahead and come back onto your back. Arms and legs are extended. As you exhale, you roll yourself up, engaging your core. Inhale and roll yourself back out. Repeat. Finding your strength through your breath. We move with confidence. Last couple seconds. Finish up your last rep. We're moving on to dead bugs next. Arms come up, knees come up. We're extending our opposite limbs, bringing them back up and alternating sides. Inhale as you extend your limbs. Exhale as they come back in. Move with control. Make sure you're engaging that core. Last couple of seconds. Finish up your last rep. Turn back around. We're finishing up with mountain climbers. Come back, stack your joints. Nice strong plank. Right knee comes up to your right elbow. And alternate limbs. Focus on your breathing. Keep your neck and your spine neutral. And keep that core engaged as you bring those legs in. Great job, guys. That concludes round 3 of our circuit training. Go ahead and take another 30-second rest, and we'll meet here for our cool down. Great job. Great job, ladies and gentlemen. You've made it to the cool down round. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have neck rotations. Widen out your stance, bring your neck down. We're starting clockwise, inhaling as our neck goes up. Exhaling as our neck comes down. Focusing on bringing our heart rate down as we inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth. Go ahead and stop and rotate the opposite direction. Continue to focus on your breathing. Last couple of seconds. Moving forward to a torso rotation next. Arms come out in front of our chest and we rotate right as we inhale and exhale as we rotate left. Inhale. Exhale and repeat. Finding the deep torso rotation and the stretch in your core. Last couple of seconds here. We're bringing up our arms, coming into a lateral stretch. Arms grabbing our elbows above our heads, coming towards our right, bringing our gaze up towards our left elbow. We inhale through our nose. And exhale through our mouth, finding a stretch on our left lateral before we lean left. And bring our gaze towards our right elbow, finding a stretch on our right side. Go ahead and release. We're coming into a forward fold, bringing your stance narrow, come back down. Finding a relaxing forward fold stretch here. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds here and we're moving forward to a cat-cow. Come on down to the ground. Hands are stacked below your shoulders. Knees are stacked below the hips. We inhale into our cow and and exhale into our cat position. And we repeat. Last couple of seconds here. Go ahead and bring it in to your bums for a seated twist. We're bringing our right foot over our left leg, and we're bringing our left arm hugging in our right knee. Bringing our gaze towards our right shoulder. We inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth. Go ahead and release. We're switching sides. Left leg comes over your right leg this time. Right arm hugs in the left knee. And we rotate our vision and our gaze towards our left shoulder. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth as we move forward with bringing our heart rate down. We release our leg and turn it around into a child's pose. Widen out your knees, feet come together. Arms extend in front of you, bringing your forehead to the ground. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth in a child's pose. Focus on deep belly breaths. Go ahead and rotate those arms right. Finding a stretch on your left hand side here. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds before we switch sides. Go ahead and bring your hands over to your left. Finding a stretch on your right side here. Continue to focus on your breathing. Continue to bring in that heart rate down. And release. Great job, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes today's cool down, and that concludes today's training. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, and you learned something new, make sure you give this one a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.